Video tutorial to introduce the drama activities. This video was taken as a tutorial on how to apply discussed drama techniques in a classroom setting. Target audience and context is A1 level. Class size is 20 to 30. Class length is 40 minutes. Topic: Cinderella and clothes. Warm-up, mirroring. The students work in pairs. The teacher chooses one partner of a particular group to start doing various motions, spinning around, moving their arms, etc. The child's partner will try to mirror their motions. The partners switch roles after 2 minutes. Beauties. The students work in groups. Each group receives a puzzle. Students have to do the puzzle and they have to find what thing the groups have in common. Ask the students what they already know about the story of Cinderella. Give the students a paper with the story and have them take turns reading it. Everyone has to read one part of the story. Frozen picture, a key moment to the story. The students split into groups. Each group picks a scene which is important in the story and everyone takes a role. They stand still until a teacher touches them and they speak from their role. Prepared improvisation. The students split into groups. They have to continue the story. For example, where are Cinderella and the prince 5 years from now?